Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we'll see the problems on angle between two surfaces, or when two surfaces given, or when 2 point is given. See, before starting this example, just I want to go through the point number 7. So I have given already. So point number 7, what here? The angle between two surfaces is defined to be equal to angle between their normals. Means we'll get two surfaces, so surface 1 and surface 2. See here, so we got two surfaces. So in the new question, find the angle between the surface. This is the first surface, second surface with 1 point. So here also two surfaces. So phi 1 of xyz, which is surface C1, and or curve C1, and phi 2, that is x2 x1 phi 2 of xyz of curve C2. Then to find this, we need to prepare angle between two surfaces or 2 point. The formula is same. Cos theta is equal to phi of first surface dot phi of second surface. Means we need to find del phi for both, and then we need to apply for the point. Then we supposed to get this formula, and from this we can get what here? Angles here. So now we'll see the example based on this. So question is, find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9, and z is equal to x square plus y square minus 3 at the point 2, -1, 2. So here the given surfaces, so given surface x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9, and we have to rearrange this. X square plus y square, take this inside, minus z, shift this minus z to the other side, it will become plus 3. So x square plus y square minus z is equal to 3. So two surfaces we have here. So now we need to find consider this one as. So let phi 1 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So this 9 will not consider, because it is a value, and if you differentiate it will vanish here also. So and phi 2 is equal to x square plus y square minus z. So both phi 1 and phi 2 will take it as the given two surfaces. So from this phi 1 and phi 2, we need to find, first we'll find what is del of phi 1. So del of phi 1 formula is what here? Dou phi 1 upon dou x plus of I plus dou phi 1 upon dou y of j plus dou phi 1 upon dou z of k. So we'll find the result. So what is del phi 1? So phi 1, this we have to differentiate partially with respect to x, keeping I here outside only. So what happens here? If differentiation of x square plus y square plus z square with respect to x is what here? So here partial differentiation of x square is 2x, but y square is 0, z square is 0, leave it, of I plus. So partial derivative of phi 1 with respect to y means x square 0, z square 0, only y square is 2y of j plus, next third one is what here? 2z of k. So this is del phi 1, and immediately we need to apply the point. What is the point they have given? Point they have given 2, -1, 2. So del of phi 1 at the point 2, -1, 2 will be, so apply x is equal to 2, y is equal to -1, and z is equal to 2, and we'll get the value as 4i minus 2j plus 4k. Now we will calculate the second curve, that is del phi 2. So del phi 2 is dou phi 2 upon dou x of I plus dou phi 2 upon dou y of j plus dou phi 2 upon dou z of k. So this is our phi 2. We need to differentiate this partially with respect to x for the first term, with respect to y for the second term, and with respect to z to the third term. So based on this we'll get it as, so we'll differentiate the curve phi 2, that is phi 2 that is x square plus y square minus z with respect to x is again what here, 2x of I plus 2y of j minus, because z is here what happened, minus times, so partial derivative of z with respect to z is what here, 1 into k is k. So therefore this is del of phi 2. So del of phi 2 we need to calculate for the point. So point is 2 minus 1 and 2. So therefore it will be, so 2 2s are 4, so 4i minus 2j, and here no value means keep this one as it is. So we got two values, that is phi 1, del phi 1 and del phi 2. So as we know that the formula for angle between two surfaces is given by the angle between these two normals have given by cos theta is equal to del phi 1 dot del phi 2 divided by modulus of del phi 1 into modulus of del phi 2. So we'll apply. So del phi, so therefore cos theta is equal to, so del phi 1 we got the answer as, it is 4i minus 2j plus 4k. We got the value of del phi 1 4i minus 2j plus 4k dot del phi 2 will be 4i minus 2j minus k, we got it, and divided by, this will be modulus, that is square root of, so coefficient of I, that is 4 square minus coefficient of j, that is plus minus 2 square plus coefficient of k is what here, 4 square, into one more square root of, because we need to find the modulus of del phi 2 also, that is 4 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. Now so for the numerator we have to go dot product. Dot product means first term, that is I should multiply with I only, j term will multiply with j only, k term will multiply with k, because other if you multiply it will become 0. So therefore the resultant is 4i dot 4i, I dot I is 1, so therefore 4 into 4 is 16, plus minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4, j dot j is 1, leave it, plus into minus is minus, 4 into 1 is 4. The numerator, denominator will be square root of, so 4 square is 16 plus minus 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16, and in another root it will be 4 square is 16 minus 2 square is 4, and this is minus 1 square, minus 1 square is also what here, 1. So on simplification this plus 4 minus 4 cancels, we left with what here, 16 divided by, so this result will be 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 16, so this will be root 36, and this will be root 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, which is equal to 16 upon root 36 is 6, root 21 I will keep as it is, So here 2 8s are and 2 3s are. So therefore cos theta is equal to 8 divided by 3 root 21. So they have said to find angle. Angle means here angle is theta. So you cos, you shift it to the right hand side. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 8 divided by 3 root 21. So this is the angle between the given two normals. So in this way we have to solve the examples here. Next example. So next example what I have taken, find the angle between the normal to the surface at the points, 2 points, one surface 2 points or two surface 1 point. Previous example is what here, two surface 1 point, or you may get one surface 2 point. Procedure is same. So here what happens, we'll take it is this one as, so given surface is what here, let the given surface is phi is equal to, I will take it this one as x minus xy minus, take this z square inside, so it will become minus z square, and the points are what here, 4 1 2 and 3 3 minus 3. These are the 2 points. So we need to find, so the formula is what here, again the same formula we are going to use. So but here just see, we'll find del phi first. So del phi is nothing but dou phi by dou x of I, dou phi by dou y of j, dou phi by dou z of k. And you will first differentiate this phi with respect to x, y, z partially. So therefore dou phi by dou x is what here, so it will be only y, because x is a partial derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so y is a constant, keep as it is, minus z square is 0, leave it, so it is into I. Similarly with respect to y we will get what here, it will be x times j, and with respect to z, so xy will become 0, it will be minus 2z of k. So this is del phi. So we got del phi, then this del phi we have to pass through these 2 points. So now, so del phi at the first point, what is first point, 4 comma 1 comma 2. So the resultant is, if you pass through this del phi through the first point 4 comma 1 comma 2, we'll get this one as I, because x y is 1, that is 1 into I is I, then we have x, so it will be plus 4 times j, minus z is 2 means 2 2s are 4, 4 times k. So this result I will give vector A. I will name it as what here, vector A. Why I have given, I will tell you now. Next, similarly second point, del phi at this one more point they have given 3 3 minus 3. Fine. So at that time, so so what happens here, we have del phi first is what, y is how much, 3, so it will become 3i, then x is also 3, it will become 3j. So here we have minus, okay, minus, so z is minus 3, minus minus it will become plus, so 3 2s are 6k. So we got, so this I will give as vector B. So therefore the angle, now if theta is the angle between the vectors vector A and vector B, these are the two vectors, then we have the formula cos theta is equal to, instead of del phi 1 I will say vector A dot vector B divided by modulus of vector A into modulus of vector B. So instead of del phi 1 into del phi 2, because what result we got, we have taken vector A and vector B, that in that way only we will write the formula. So therefore we will apply the vector A result, vector B result, and we'll take the modulus of that. We'll see what happens. So on substitution, the value of a bar, b bar, and modulus of a bar and modulus of b bar will get this result. Now we'll take the dot product of this. I dot 3i will become 3 plus into plus is plus 4j dot 3j, 4 3s are 12, j dot j is 1, minus into plus is minus 4 into 6, 24, k dot k is 1. So this will be again square root of 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, minus 4 square is 16, square root of 3 square is 9 plus 9 plus 36. So the result simplification is, so this will be root of 33 and root of 54. So 12 minus 24 is minus 12, minus 12 plus 3 minus 9. So therefore, so on simplification, minus 9. So root 33 will be as it is, and root 54 we can write it as what here, 3 root 6. So 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, so it will be minus 3 divided by so we can write this one as square root of 198, but square root of 198 is nothing but 3 root 22. Okay, if you check it, so but what happens, this 3 and this 3 cancels, minus 1 upon root 22. So this is the answer of what here, cos theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 22, or I can say that theta is equal to what here, cos inverse of minus 1 by root 22, or to make this positive, so this result can be written as what here, so pi plus or minus cos of 1 upon root 22. So this way we need to find the angles between two normals when two surfaces given, how to find, and when two surface 1 point, or 1 point, one surface 2 points.